Hello, this is Rick DeVoe, Technical Support Engineer with Quest Support, and today we are covering how to change the InTrust Service account using the adcsrvacc.exe utility. In this video, we will talk about changing your InTrust Service account by using the adcsrvacc utility that is provided with your InTrust installation. Please note that the new service account will still need to have the privileges outlined in the InTrust System Requirements HTML document that is included with your installation media. Also, prior to using this utility, you should perform the following to allow the new service account to allow proper automatic creation and editing of service connection points. As a note, this will require the use of ADSI Edit, which is used at your own risk and is not a Quest-supported product. You will want to open the ADSI Edit snap-in and specify the following rights for the location shown here. I'm going to show you how to apply these permissions to the system container directly. First, right-click on System and click Properties. From here, click Advanced, then click Add, and specify the new service account that you wish to use. When given the prompts, you want to apply the Read All Properties, Write All Properties, Read Permissions, Modify Permissions, and Create All Child Objects privileges. This service account will need to create service connection points in the future, and this is very important. Another important thing, you will want to apply these permissions to this object and all descendant objects. This is generally a drop-down menu, as I'm showing you here. So please make sure this is selected. Click OK to commit the changes, then click Apply and OK to close the advanced window. And finally, click OK again to close the properties of the system container and close ADSI Edit. After these steps have been performed and the new service account has all of the required privileges, you can utilize the adcsrvacc utility to perform the change. You can find this utility in the installation directory of InTrust under Server ADC Support Tools. Navigate to this location in a command prompt and run the utility in the following fashion. adcsrvacc.exe. You need to specify the username of the new service account by using -user, then domain/username. Additionally, you can use the following optional parameters to customize these changes. -password with the password next to it optionally allows you to specify the password of the service account. If this is not supplied, you will be prompted to enter it via secure prompt, as I will show you shortly. -restart optionally restarts the services after the account change. The default position of the services after this process is off, so this will start the services for you. -no check optionally skips the check of the new account to ensure it has the appropriate privileges for access to the InTrust configuration database. For this example, I will run the command with no optional parameters used, and I will show you the service state as we progress. I will open up the services snap-in so we can monitor the service state as the utility performs its tasks. Note that we are mostly interested in the Quest InTrust Server service, as this will be the one reflecting the most change. As I switch back to the command prompt, I'll hit enter on the command that's entered without the password switch, so I am prompted for my service account password. You'll be prompted for it twice, and after hitting enter for the second time, it will immediately stop the process adcrvacc, which is the InTrust server process. It is important to note that as I refresh the services snap-in, the Quest InTrust Server service is in a stopped state. The login credentials have been switched to the new service account, but as we haven't specified the -restart switch, it is important to start this process manually as shown here. This may take a moment, so please be patient. Once this has started, I'll give you an example of using the restart parameter as well as a password parameter. Switching back to the command prompt, I'm going to reset and run the same command using these options. Note that the Quest InTrust Server service is in a running state at this time. So here I will specify -restart and then -password along with the service account password. Hitting enter, you'll note that I was not prompted for the password this time, and the utility stops the service, adcsrvacc, and also starts the service, adcsrvacc. Going back to the services snap-in, the Quest InTrust server is in a starting state. Waiting a few moments, we'll note that this will soon change to a started state, and at this point, my environment will be back to the state it was originally in. Checking the logon credentials in the services snap-in will show that the service account has indeed been changed to the specified service account. Finally, to learn more about InTrust, visit quest.com/InTrust. Thank you and have a great day.